In the sun-baked landscapes of North Africa, where rainfall is scarce and temperatures soar, thrives one of the most adaptable and charismatic domestic animals known to humankind, the Nubian goat. With its strikingly long ears and elegant profile, this breed is more than a visual marvel. It represents thousands of years of selective adaptation and human-animal partnership. The evolutionary roots of the Nubian goat trace back to indigenous breeds of the Sahara and Nile regions. Early pastoral communities selected goats for traits that enhanced survival in extreme heat, resilience to scarce water, and rich milk production. Over generations, this selection forged a breed capable of not only enduring adversity but thriving under conditions that would challenge most livestock. Physically, the Nubian goat is distinguished by a slender, graceful frame, broad muzzle, and most notably, its pendulous ears that can exceed 30 centimeters in length. These long ears are not merely ornamental, they play a physiological role, assisting in thermoregulation by dispersing heat away from the head, a crucial adaptation in the blazing African sun. Their legs are strong and agile, allowing for swift navigation across rocky hills and sparse grazing areas, giving them a survival edge in uneven terrains. Their coat, short and glossy, reflects sunlight, minimizing overheating. Coat colors vary widely, from fawn to black, sometimes with spots, showcasing the diversity achieved through centuries of natural and human-guided selection. Nubians are also prized for their expressive eyes, which convey alertness, intelligence, and a calm demeanor that is unusual among herd animals. Behaviorally, Nubian goats are intelligent and highly social. Herd dynamics are complex. Each individual maintains relationships with others, establishing hierarchies that reduce conflict and optimize group cohesion. Unlike solitary animals, Nubians display cooperative behaviors, such as mutual grooming, coordinated movement to water sources, and collective vigilance against predators like jackals or birds of prey. Feeding habits reveal further adaptability. Nubians are browsers rather than strict grazers, preferring shrubs, leaves, and hardy desert plants. The digestive systems can efficiently process fibrous, low-nutrient vegetation, extracting water and essential nutrients, an invaluable trait in drought-prone environments. This diet not only sustains their health but also plays a vital role in shaping local vegetation patterns, preventing overgrowth, and maintaining ecological balance. The social structure of Nubians is fascinating. Herds are led by dominanters whose experience guides the group to food and water sources. Bucks establish territories primarily during mating season but otherwise coexist with minimal aggression. Calves are nurtured communally, with multiple does often contributing to the protection and social education of the young. Such a cooperative system maximizes survival rates in challenging habitats. In addition to natural threats, Nubians face pressures from humans, including habitat encroachment and crossbreeding for commercial purposes. However, their resilience has ensured continuity across centuries, and they remain a cornerstone of small-scale farming and traditional pastoralism. The Nubian goat's role extends beyond survival and aesthetics. Its milk is rich, creamy, and nutritionally dense, often preferred for cheese and dairy products. This productivity has cemented Nubians as both a biological and cultural asset, integral to the livelihoods of communities across North Africa, the Middle East, and now globally. The adaptation of Nubian goats to extreme climates is not just physical but behavioral. These goats have learned to adjust daily activity patterns according to temperature, grazing during cooler hours and seeking shade during peak heat. Such timing reduces water loss and maximizes foraging efficiency. Reproductive strategies are equally refined. Nubian goats can breed throughout the year, but optimal offspring survival aligns with seasonal rains. Gestation averages 5 months, producing 1 or 2 kids that mature rapidly, ensuring herd continuity. Maternal care is intense, with does maintaining close contact, guiding their offspring to safe feeding grounds, and protecting them from predators. Intelligence in Nubians manifests in problem-solving, memory, and social learning. Studies reveal goats can remember locations of water sources and recognize individual humans and animals. This cognitive flexibility enhances survival, particularly in dispersed, resource-scarce environments. Historically, Nubians have also shaped human culture. Their milk, meat, and hides have sustained pastoral societies for millennia. Folklore often celebrates their endurance and charm, reflecting a deep bond between humans and these animals. Today, they serve as symbols of sustainable farming practices, especially in arid regions where conventional livestock struggles. Physiological adaptations include high tolerance to heat stress and remarkable kidney efficiency, allowing minimal water loss. The breed's immune system exhibits resilience against local parasites and pathogens, further contributing to its survival advantage. Social interactions are intricate. Nubians communicate through bleats, body posture, and ear movements, conveying information about food, predators, or mating readiness. Dominance hierarchies are respected without constant conflict, demonstrating a sophisticated balance between competition and cooperation. Nubian goats also significantly influence local ecosystems. By browsing selectively, they prevent shrub overgrowth, maintaining open spaces that support biodiversity. The grazing patterns shape plant community structures, indirectly benefiting birds, insects, and smaller mammals. The manure contributes essential nutrients to soil, aiding plant growth and reinforcing the ecological web. Predator avoidance strategies are finely tuned. Goats employ vigilance, alarm calls, and coordinated movement to evade threats. Individuals learn from observing conspecifics, a behavior critical in harsh terrains where the cost of error is high. Human interaction continues to evolve. Modern farming techniques have expanded Nubian goat populations worldwide, introducing selective breeding for milk yield while retaining environmental resilience. Conservation efforts emphasize preserving genetic diversity, ensuring that the breed remains both productive and adaptable. Behavioral enrichment in captive and semi-captive settings reveals the cognitive depth. Nubians explore novel objects, learn from peers, and display problem-solving behaviors that rival other intelligent mammals. These traits enhance welfare in agricultural settings and deepen scientific understanding of livestock intelligence. Cultural integration is notable. In local traditions, Nubians feature in ceremonies, rituals, and communal celebrations, reinforcing their significance beyond mere agriculture. Their presence in festivals often reflects prosperity, health, and resilience. As climate change accelerates, the Nubian goat serves as a model of resilience. Its adaptability offers insights into sustainable livestock management in arid regions. Farmers and researchers study these goats to develop strategies that ensure productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Nubian goats demonstrate that survival is not solely physical, it is also social, cognitive, and cultural. Their ability to navigate challenges, from extreme heat to predation, from limited water to complex social hierarchies, highlights the intricate interplay between biology and behavior. The Nubian goat is more than a dairy producer, it is a living testament to evolution, adaptation, and human-animal symbiosis. Its elegance, intelligence, and hardiness ensure it will remain a vital component of ecosystems and cultures for generations to come. In conclusion, the Nubian goat embodies resilience, grace, and productivity, offering both practical benefits and profound lessons about adaptation, cooperation, and survival in the world's harshest environments. Their story is a celebration of life thriving against the odds, a narrative as rich as the milk they provide.